Good evening. How many participants are there? 22. Okay, so we are going to start today's class. Okay. So, who deciphered yesterday's who did that homework which I gave you for yesterday? Who deciphered? Because I have seen like 6, 7 participants did their homework and they have sent also, but I'm not getting too much response as I expected. So, who deciphered and who did not? किस किसने कल इसका डिसाइफर किया और किस किसने नहीं किया? चैट बॉक्स में आप ईमानदारी से बताइए. Then we will start the next pages to decipher. Just give me your response in the chat box. Yulia ji, you did great job. And
thank you. It was a
Ravi,
little bit.
you did whole homework. You deciphered all the 20 pages.
Yes, and it take much time. It wasn't easy.
Yes, I can understand. In the first stage, it takes time. Okay, but you did very well because there is only 1, 2, 3 mistakes, but all like everything was fine. So I can your result is 100%.
I put I made I decipher how to say
Yeah, yeah, I
myself,
can see.
and
There
then
was
I
some.
compare with the manuscript that was in the chat with Devanagari, and after
Mhm.
it with red books. Okay, thank you.
That's why I have sent that Bhagavad Gita, so you can compare and you can understand which word is this. Okay, भाविन जी ने किया पर लिखा नहीं. Okay. Vishnu ji, I have been traveling and also could not do. Okay. Sandhya ji, I had informed you that being wedding season, I'm too busy with work. Okay. Haruki ji, yes, you also did great job. I was so happy to see your work, but as I told, I was expecting much from other participants too. 3 क्लास ना होने से मुझे दिक्कत हो रही है. मोहित जी, ठीक है, आपको दिक्कत हो रही है तो देखिए, अगर आपने क्लास मिस की, आपको हैंडआउट सारे भेजे गए हैं, ठीक है, तो आपको उनकी सहायता से आगे बढ़ना है. So what we are going to do today, we will appoint those letters which we can't decipher. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, we are going to discuss about your homework only as you have done. Okay, this was our manuscript. So, till this page we have deciphered. Iti kanishtikabhyam namaha eva iti. Okay, till this page we deciphered yesterday, right? I have done till 4 and sent it in group, Preeti ji. Okay. But I was talking about the whole homework. Okay, now see, there is I'm just going to decipher and you have to look and then I will give you the chance to decipher as we have done yesterday. Then we will move forward for the next text tomorrow. Okay. So as you can see, this was the last line. Achedyoyam adahyoyam akledyo shosha eva cheti. Okay, till this line, we have deciphered yesterday, right? Now this page, which number is this? Which number is this? The folio
4.
number? Yes, this is 4. So there is the shikhaya vashat. So a few of them have wrote it a half j. Okay, if it's half j, then it should be like this. I'm sharing that note page. Okay, so if it is j, then how it should be? We have to understand this. This is our letter j. Okay, I'm making it the bigger one. This is our j. Okay, if we are making it half, then it will be like this, not like and here we can see here it's not, this shape is not like that. Okay, here the shape is like this, isn't it? Otherwise it's like this, but this is t. This is not j. It looks like half j, but it's not j. If we have to make it half, we will write the letter full. Then we will put this mark here. Okay.
मैम मैं ये कह रहा था, हेलो,
हाँ बताइए।
एक बार पूरा स्वर व्यंजन और ये मात्रा दोबारा रिपीट हो जाए, क्योंकि इससे थोड़ा और मजबूती मिलेगी हम लोगों को। बाकी
कौन कह रहे
टेक्स्ट
हैं?
पढ़
अच्छा
जी आरपी जी,
अच्छा ठीक
क्योंकि
है।
टेक्स्ट पढ़ना है और ये फ्लो में आना, ये तो मान लीजिए बाद में भी किया जा सकता है, लेकिन अगर एक बार ये रिपीट हो जाए स्वर और व्यंजन और मात्रा वाला पोर्शन, तो कहीं कहीं वो और मजबूती मिलेगी हम लोगों को भविष्य के लिए।
अच्छा ठीक है।
और क्योंकि आज और कल 2 दिन समय है आपके वर्कशॉप का,
जी जी जी,
तो अगर ये संभव हो तो आज के डेट में ही एक स्पीडली, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि जैसे पहले चल रहा था, एक तरह से पूरा ये होमवर्क अगर कर लिया जाए तो हम लोगों के लिए एक वो बैकअप तैयार हो जाएगा दोबारा।
I can understand your concern. As I told you, if we are learning, but the 1 hour is not enough. Okay, so you have to do practice. That's why I told कि आपको हर रोज अपने कुछ भी विचार, कुछ भी 1-2 पेज लिखने होंगे। ठीक है, तो आप लिखिए। गलतियां होंगी, कोई बात नहीं, हम उनको ठीक करेंगे। अभी मैं फिर से रिपीट करा देती हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम। बट वी हैव टू मेक आवरसेल्व्स परफेक्ट, सो यू हैव टू राइट daily 2 pages in this script, then you have to send me, and you as well as you have to decipher, because if we are learning the Sharda script, what will be its utilization? We have to decipher the manuscripts. Okay, wherever you find something, you develop that quality that you can decipher that. Okay, so you have to practice and you have to write 2 pages daily. Okay, okay. So मिश्रा जी, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आपको किन किन वर्णों में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। पहले ये बताइए डाउट किस में है और किन किन में प्रॉब्लम है, देन वी विल मूव फर्दर दिस।
एक्चुअली मैम थोड़ी व्यस्तता की वजह से अभ्यास मैंने नहीं किया, इसलिए थोड़ी समस्या आ रही है। और
तो देखिए देखिए, आपको अभ्यास करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि बाकी लोगों ने किया तो वो अभी अच्छे से डिसाइफर भी कर पा रहे हैं। इवन हमारे साथ इंटरनेशनल पार्टिसिपेंट्स भी हैं, बिकॉज आई वांट टू डेवलप योर स्किल्स, राइट? सो ओके, आपका चलिए आप मुझे ये बताइएगा अपनी लिस्ट में देख के, पहली चीज कि आपको किन किन वर्णों में डाउट आ रहा है। ठीक है, फिर हम इसमें आगे बढ़ते हैं। एनी अदर हैव डाउट और कंफ्यूजन इन द स्क्रिप्ट? एनीवन एल्स?
मैम
हम्म,
मैम ज्योति कैसे लिखेंगे मैम, हाफ जा जो हो रहा है?
ज्योति।
यस मैम।
ओके, सो हम यह कैसे जोड़ते हैं? वी हैव टू राइट ज्योति। ओके, वी आर राइटिंग दिस वन। in Sharda. And this is in our English. So, first of all, as I told you, we are making the full letter J. Okay? Then, if we have to add year, what we will do, we connect the end point and then we will make year like this. Oh. Jayshree ji, please mute yourself. I think you are in train. There is the sound. So this is Okara Matra, Jo. Then Ikara Matra, the straight line for Ikara Matra. Then this letter Ta and E. This is very simple, Jyoti. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Gya and Ksha. Okay, I have done. Ma'am, Ma, Bha, Ka, Sha and Ksha. Okay. लिपि तो अभ्यास से आएगी. क्षत्रिय कैसे लिखेंगे? Okay. Look here. Is this clear? Jyoti is clear? I'm going to remove this one. So we will discuss about yesterday's homework. There are some confusions. We will discuss about that after this thing. Okay, so there is Kshatriya. So as I told you, we make a ka like this. If we are adding something, then we will add sha here. So this is ksha. Then this is our ta, and this is ra. This is tra. Ikar matra. There. Okay. Kshatri. Yeah. This is Kshatriya. I request everyone, please mute yourself, Appuji. I know something is going on there, but please maintain this class decorum also. Okay, this is Kshatriya. Now, then Ma, Bha, Sha and Ksha. Look carefully. This is our Ma. Okay, in Ma, what we have to understand that this will be round only. Sometimes we find curve and sometimes we don't find curve. Okay, in Ma. But how we recognize it? Only by this stroke. This is round and this is filled. This is Ma. Okay, then this is Bha. Okay, this is the shape of Bha. But as we found in this manuscript, if this line touches to the stroke, okay, something like this, and because this is made by brush, so this line doesn't come like this. Somewhere it's like the bigger one and then the smaller one, it looks like this. Okay, so this is also Bha. As the line touch to the stroke, then it is Bha. Okay, and there is upper line on Bha and there is no upper line on Ma. Then this is Sha, Talavya Sha. There is an Shirorekha, upper line. Okay, this is Sa, Dantya Sa. There is no Shirorekha and this is angular. This is not round one. You have to keep this thing in your mind. And then Ksha. You are asking about Ksha. So as I made Ksha here in Kshatriya. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Mishraji have doubt in Gya and Ja. So look carefully. This is Gya, as I have mentioned Ksha. Okay, Ka and Sha. So first of all, we made Ja. This is Ja, and this is Gya. If we made something like this, the shape of Na under the Ja, then it becomes Gya. Okay. Now, Naveen ji have one word. What is this? This is nij grihat turnam. Okay. So first of all, this is na ikara matra. There is shirorekha. Then then this is ja nija. Okay. Then nija gri ha. Okay, this is clear. Then turnam. Okay, so the most important letter is here, that tu. Okay, so now we have to understand this one. As I told you, what happened, this is the, okay, the first the, then the another the, it comes here. Okay, so this is double ta. Now we have to make ukar matra, double u. So as I told you, I'm making it here. So this is also tu. So now what will happen here, if we have to make it in this shape only, so we will make it small small small. So we find two variations. So this is two the, then this. Okay, we can find like this, and the other one we can find like this and this. So it becomes big. So if the bigger, the longer one, it also mentions the dirgha ukara matra. Okay, then if we are adding ra, then it comes like this. Turnam. I should make here. Okay, we can find these two types of tu. We can write like this. Then this is ra and sanyog, and then ma. Okay, so this is nij grihat turnam.
मैम ये ड़ के ऊपर आपने सिरोरेखा लगाया है, ड़ रहेगी क्या?
मैंने आपको बताया, अगर र जुड़ा है किसी के साथ और उस अक्षर पे शिरोरेखा नहीं आती है, तो उसको इस तरह से लिखा जाएगा, चाहे ज पे और अगर न पे अगर आपको शिरोरेखा मिल रही है, तो आपको यही समझना है कि वहां पर र है। ये ऊपर का जो शिरोरेखा और नीचे की पार्ट है, वो सिर्फ र को इंडिकेट करने के लिए है।
अच्छा, ज्ञ जो आपने लिखा है उस पर आ की मात्रा अगर लगानी हो तो कैसे लगाएंगे? ज्ञ जो ऊपर अभी लिखा है
जैसे आप जा पे मात्रा लगाते हैं, ज पे मात्रा लगाते हैं, उसमें आप क्या करेंगे, मैं यहाँ लगा के दिखा देती हूँ। आपने, मुझे लगता है, मेरी क्लासेस बहुत मिस की हैं। आप कल की क्लास में भी नहीं थे क्या?
क्लास में था।
तो कल तो ये अक्षर कितनी बार आया है, तो फिर ऐसे बन जाएगा, या की मात्रा लग गई। इसीलिए मैंने आपको मात्रा में बॉक्सेस लगवाए थे। दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टोल्ड यू टू मेक बॉक्सेस अराउंड विच मात्रा, in which matra the letter changes its shape, which is different. So if you look at once, you can find the difference within seconds. Okay, so Mishra ji, आपको बहुत प्रैक्टिस करने की अभी आवश्यकता है। Okay, is it clear? Any
Yes,
other
ma'am.
query?
Okay, ma'am.
Any other query?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm, one. So now we can discuss about the yesterday's left pages. So there is shikhaya. This is vashat. Okay, this is ta, not ja. Is it clear? I hope now it's clear.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Hmm. I think again it is very clear. Now I'm just going to read it that fastly so you can understand. Then you will decipher the next pages after 11th. Okay. So this is Nityah, ta and ya sanyog, sarvagatah, sthanurachaloyam sanatanah, iti kavachaya hum. This is ukar matra here on her. Okay, her में बीच में से आएगी ना कि लास्ट में से. So we find the ukar matra in between of her letter. Then pashya me partha ru. This is ra and ukar matra, dirgha ukar. पश्य मे पार्थ रूपाणि शतशो अथ सहस्रशः. शतशोऽथ सहस्रशः इति नेत्राभ्यां वौषट. Again this is t. This is exact similar to the first line's letter and this one. So this is vashat. Okay, here ta is not moved from the lower part, but we can find if there is halan, then definitely this is not the matra. Okay, and the stroke stands with only two letters. That those are nga and ta. Okay, these letters uses very less, but whenever they comes, we have to understand. Then nana vidhani di. Nana vidhani divyani nana. What is this letter? Who wants to decipher? Which letter is this, Mishra ji? This is ra and na sayog. Nana varna. Then kritena. Nana varna kritena chitya stra. This is sa and tra. Chitya straya. What is this letter? This is ha. Okay, it is connected. The line is connected to the middle part, and it is very similar to ha. But this is not ha. This is fa. And then again we can see the ta, and there is halan. So this is phat. Okay. So shastraya phat iti shadanga nyasaha. Okay. Then what is this? Atha. Yeah, this is dha and ya. As I told you, whenever you have doubt, you can't decipher. What you have to do, you have to hide one letter with your finger or your hand. Okay, so this is very clear. Ya is connected here, and the other letter is dha. So this is atha dhyanam. Karanveer, please mute yourself. So please ask me if anybody had doubt yesterday. Somebody had doubt when they were doing their homework or deciphering this manuscript for the particular letter, then we can discuss about that. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, then the next line is Om Parthaya Prati Bodhitam. This is Okara Mata Prati Bodhitam Bhagavatam Narayanena Swayam. Okay, then Vyasena. This is Ga and Ra. Ra is connected. If Ra is connected, it goes to the right side. Grathitam Puranam. Purana. Then Mu. There is Ma and there is stroke. It indicates Ukara Matra. So here you can see the thumb of someone who clicked this pic. So the thumb, it covers two lines, as you can see. So you can understand the size of this manuscript is like this. This is pocket Gita. Okay, so it was written with a brush and it is very clear to us. Okay, we can zoom it out, but in real, this has only this space on this length only. Okay, and there after that, this is so readable, this is so simple, and this is so beautiful. So, okay, so Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharate. This is written Mahabharate. Then Advaita Mrita. Then look carefully. This is Va and Ra. Ra and Sha are connected to each other, as we can see very clearly, because there is an upper line and Sha doesn't have upper line. Okay. Varshinim. So this is Ra and Sha. Whenever you find the different letters, you should understand and note them in your notebook. So, because we will start the next text tomorrow, so you can understand. Because here we are just looking at only the one style of some scriber. Okay, someone wants to decipher it. Okay, I will tell name and they will unmute themselves and they will decipher. Dipali. Ms. Dipali. प्रीतम जी, नवीन जी.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I request you to decipher from here Varshinim, then what it is written.
Nim. Nim.
Varshinim.
Nim. Ba.
Bha.
Ga.
Hmm.
Va. And then T.
Bhagavati.
Bhagwati. Ma.
Ma.
Thu. Shu.
शिरो रेखा है वहां पे?
नहीं, नो शिरो रेखा नहीं, शू.
क्या हम मुकार की मात्रा ऐसे लगाते हैं? Do we use this shape for ukar matra in Sharda script?
No.
If we find this type of shape, then what does it mean? It should be some letter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if there is sha, then which? Tha. Good. Ta or tha. It can be ta or tha. Then ashta. This is Bhagavati, Mashta, the.
Yeah, Sha.
Dasha.
Sha and Dhaya. Dhaya.
Dhya. Dha is half here.
Yeah.
Dhya.
Yini.
Dhyaini. Then, yes. So, what is written here? Advaita Amrita Varshinim Bhagavatim Ashta Dasha Dhyaini. Okay, there are 18 chapters in the Gita, so it's the starting introduction here is given. Okay, then
Ma. Ma.
Try to decipher what you are looking here.
The ma and again ma and va.
Mamba.
This one is tuam. Ma. Labha.
Bha, is it bha?
Nama. Nama. The.
This is sa. Sa.
Ma or sa.
Mama vatvam, then manasa.
Manasa.
There is angular now. There is
the
singular, then it should be sa.
yes ma'am. Then sa the dha me
Me,
uh,
dadhami.
tha और वह
This is bha. Tha doesn't have shiro rekha. As you
Oh.
have seen, you
Yes, yes.
already read in the second line.
yes ma'am. Then gava
Dadhami bhagavad. This is the and ga. Bhagavad Gita.
और
Bhavad.
te
Bhagavad Gita. Bhavad Veshinim.
एक्चुअली मैं देवनागरी जोन से वो मैं उससे कंफ्यूजन रहता है कि लेटर कौन सा
Yes.
रिकॉग्नाइज करना है
Huh. So what happened whenever we learn some script, what we have to do, we have to come with very clear mind as we don't know any script. So as I told you, Devanagari came through this script. Okay. So there are many letters which are clear, but there are some letters which are different. So we have to keep those only in our mind, and we have to focus only on them. Okay. So, okay,
Yes,
you are doing good, but you have to do practice also, okay?
yes ma'am.
Haruki ji? Haruki
Yes.
ji, you want to decipher?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. From here, Namo. The last line of this page is decipher that.
Namo.
Hmm.
Su.
Okay, I'm zooming it. Look at carefully. Is there this type of ukar matra we use?
No.
No. So now look carefully. Is there any stroke?
Sa and ta.
Yes, there is sa and ta and there, and then it is ukar matra. Okay. So the upper one is sa, then there is ta, then ukar matra. Okay. As you can see the
Thank you.
ta in the right side. So what we had done, we just took the lower part of ta. Is it similar to that one? Is it similar to the ta's lower part?
Yes, yes, yes.
So now we can find, okay, this is ta, and then there ukar matra. So what is it? Stute.
Stute.
Yes. Then
Vyasa. Vyasa.
vyasa,
Vishara.
vishala. Good.
Batte.
Vishala.
Batte.
No, there is letter and there is some matra also.
Buddhe.
Yes, Vishala Buddhe. There is ba and ba, there is ukar matra is added here. And if the comes with this shape, then it becomes the and dha sanyog. Vishala Buddhe. Then
I'm not confident. It looks like
it's okay, just try.
it looks like ha combined with
Okay, this
some
is
other letter.
because the line is connected to the middle part, so it is tha, not ha.
I see.
If line is not connected, then it there is matra also.
Puh.
Is there matra?
Yes,
Matra. There is ukar matra. So full la, double
Full
la
la,
and
yeah.
akar matra. There is full la. Then
La. B.
Ra, V.
Da.
Now there are two letters. Which are they?
And
Yes.
na and da.
Na, Nanda, Arvinda.
La. Binda. Ya. Ta.
Ya. Ta.
Patra.
Tapat.
Ne. Patra.
Tapatra netra.
Patra
Yes.
netra.
Okay, here you can see the ta is connected. The ta is, there is half ta and then tra. So it is written like this. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Tapatra netra. Then
Yena
yena
tvaya
tva
vaya
tvaya.
bharata thaira
Bharata.
purnaha.
Hmm.
Thaira
Taila
purnaha.
purnaha. Yes. There is ra and na connected. So taila purnaha. Then
Pra
pra.
jva.
Yes, here we can see there we can see two matras here. Okay, a and u we can see. So a is very clear and u is also clear. So two matras cannot come with one letter. Okay, so what it can be? Now we have to understand, as we saw before in the last pages, that we find were like this. It was filled because scriber wants to write it through its pen or brush, but what happened, he was writing through the brush, so the ink was spread. Okay, then it becomes like this. So it is ja and va and their akar matra. So you can see the ja is making ja is made like this, and the akar matra, the two strokes which are connected. So this is not like this as we learned. So this is prajwa, jwa, ja, va and there a prajwa. Then
Prajva lito
lito, prajwalito.
jnana.
Yes. Now the same letter is coming again, but there is this na shape is added. Then this letter comes through comes as gya and their akar matra. So this is gya, pragyana,
Mayaha pradipaha.
mayaha, pradeepaha. Very good. Then
Pra
pra.
prayanna.
No, this is not here. If there is shiroreka, then it can be here.
Pa.
Pa.
Sorry.
Yes.
Prapa.
Prapa.
Prapanna.
Yes. It's not tra. It looks like Devanagari's tra, but it's not tra.
Sorry, I
because we
confused.
make tra like this. There are two na. So this is prapanna. Then
Prapanna pari
pari.
jataya
Pari jataya.
totra
Totra.
ve
Ve.
traika panaye.
Ve traika panaye. Good. Then
Jnana
jnana.
maybe ma emba.
No. Every time it doesn't come like this. We are confused. Here we are not confused. This is matra.
Ukara matra.
Yes, ukar matra. So jnana
mudraya
mudraya
krishnaya gita mrita
Geetamrita
duhe
Geetamrita.
da.
Okay, here it looks like the. Okay, and it can be the word here matra is used. Okay, so it is the place where we can be confused. Okay, it can be two. It cannot be two because in ta we use ukar matra like this. Okay, this is the same we found da. Okay, Rita, but da and as we found here, I'm showing it in the last page as we saw. If we are using something with, okay, just look at here in the same line. The third letter, na, mu, then dra.
Dra.
Okay.
Yes.
So the line goes to upper side, but if we are using the scriber, it is the style of scriber. We have to understand. So what he is doing, if he is making the, then he have to go to upside, but it doesn't go. So it can be the da and it can be do. Okay, but we find it da, and when margin we write, okay, it can be do also in the bracket. Okay, then
He Namaha.
hey namaha. So which number is this in the margin?
6.
Yes, this is 6. Duhe namaha. Then
Sarvo
sarvo.
Panisha.
Sarvopanisha.
Sarvo Panishado
Sarvopanishado.
ga
Wo.
bodo
Gavo. Do.
do
Then
gya gra.
no. If just look at the lower shape also. Hide the ga from your finger. Then if we are adding dha with some letter, then it turns into this shape. Okay, this is ga and dha. Dogdha.
Dogda
Dogdha.
gopa
Hmm.
na
Gopal.
na and ma
Nan.
na and goparanam manaha
Gopala Nandanaha. This is na and the.
nandanaha.
Gopala Nandanaha. Then
Partho
Partho.
Patmaha.
No. Which letter is this?
The last one.
Sa. Vatsaha. There.
Vatsaha.
That is the not round. This is angular. So this is Vatsaha.
Vatsaha.
Gopala Vatsaha. Then
Swadil Bhokta.
this is not va. Va came only once. Okay. There was the confusion. Otherwise, the stroke indicates only ukar matra. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Suthi
Sudhi.
Lubho.
Rabho. Sudhir bho.
Suthil Bhokta.
Sudhir bhokta.
Dakdam.
No,
Dakdam.
it can be. You already read this in the last page. So this is we can see there also dahe, there is no such word. So that was do. Again
Do.
it is do. Okay. If he is adding
Okay.
some matras with the, then it doesn't go upside. It comes like this. So this is dugdham.
Duktam.
Yes.
Gita Mritam.
Gitamritam.
Mahat.
Mahat. Yes. So ta is with halant here. Okay. Now again.
Vasva Deva.
Just look at once here.
Vasdeva.
Yes. It is
Sorry.
ukar matra. Okay. Va came only 2 times there. Okay. We have to be open for everything. We can't deny any possibility. But if we see this stroke, first thing should come in our mind that it is ukara matra. Okay. So Vasudeva.
Vasudeva. Vasu Tam Devam.
Vasudeva. Then
Vasudeva. Sutam.
Sutam.
Devam.
Devam.
Kansa.
Kansa.
Chanu.
Chanu. See, here it is Dirgha Ukara Matra. Chanu.
Chanu. Lama.
Chanura.
Chanura. Malumanam.
Mardanam. Ra and
Mardanam.
yes, Mardanam. Then
Deva.
Deva.
Kipala.
Ki. Devaki. Parama.
Paramanandam.
Paramanandam. So it should be Paramanandam, but it is written Paramanandam. So we have to decipher that. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I request. Okay, somebody wants to decipher with your own interest. They can unmute themselves. Otherwise, I will tell them here. Okay. See, Haruki ji deciphered very well. You also can do. Atharva. Okay, Julia ji, I request you.
Okay.
First of all, you have done very great job. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, so you have already deciphered, but for all of them, for all of us, please decipher it again.
First is kr,
Tree.
then sh, n, murdanya,
Yes.
shnam,
Krishnam.
vande.
Vande.
This is ja, I think.
Ja.
Ga, Jagadgurum.
Yes.
Jagadgurum.
So here I want to mention, just look carefully, there is the, then ga, then there is ukara matra. Okay, we use this type of circular matra with ka and ga. Okay, so this is Jagad Gurum. And there is halant is with ma, Jagad Gurum. Then
Bhi, Shma, Bhishma, Bhishma, the next is Na, Ona, Drona.
yes, this is Drona.
Drona, Ta. This one I don't remember. This is.
Which shape is this? Which shape is this? What it can be? What is the matra?
Matra
What?
is ta, dirgha
Yes, this is
this
a.
is ta. Murdhanya
Okay.
ta.
Ta, yes. So whenever we see this type of matra, it comes with only nga, ja, and ta. Okay, so this is ta, ta.
Ta, ja, ya, ja, ya, dra, tha, ja, la, ga. No, then this is dha.
Yes. Yes. Gandhara.
Gandhara. Ni, lo, pa, la.
Nilo pala.
This is sha.
Sha.
Sha, lya.
Shalya.
Gra.
Gra.
Vati.
Shalya grahavati.
Kri. Pe. Na.
Tripena.
Va. Yi. Ni.
Vahini.
Ka. What's this?
This is Ra and Na. These are connected.
Karne. Na.
Karne.
Ve. La.
La.
This one, ku,
Yes. Yes.
uh,
So here we can be confused that okay, it can be ku and it can be ka and ta. Okay.
mhm.
This thing should also come in our mind because ta is very clear in this letter. So it can be ku and it can be ta. So we have to read the word, then we can understand. Okay, this is vela kula.
Kula.
Hmm. Then
Kula. Then this is I think.
uh,
Uh,
huh,
Shva.
huh,
And this one
ashwa.
is T. T and this form of Ta. Ta.
Ta and tha.
Ashva Tha.
Hmm.
Ma Vi Ka. Rna.
Yes.
Ma Vi Ka Rna. Gho Ra Ma.
Ghor. Ghora.
The last is one Makara.
Ghora makara.
Gora Makara. This is Do.
Do.
And this one is Rio, my favorite
Yes.
one.
Yes. Yeah, I just want to see here. So whenever we see this type of shape, which looks like the of Devanagari, okay, this is the combination of Ra and Ya. Okay, so whenever you see the very clear Devanagari is the, then it is definitely Ya. Then this is Duryo. Then next,
Then Dhana.
Duryodhana.
Duryodhana. Va. This one is not clear. Maybe
This
Rti,
uh,
Varti.
yes,
Varti.
this is Ra and Ta are there. Varti ni. Duryodhana Vartini. Then
So.
so.
T. Sot. T.
Yes,
This is
there is double ta.
Rna.
Sotir. Sotirna.
Again Rna. Then Kha. Sotirna. Khalu. Khalu.
Hello.
Pa.
Pa.
Pandavai.
Yes. This is the new letter here we can see. So na is very the upper line, over one is the, which is connected to na, and it is connected in between of na. So this is Panda. Then Pandavai.
Pandavai. Kuru.
Guru.
Nadi.
Nadi.
Kaiva.
Kaiva.
This one I don't know. Kaiva.
Okay, I'm zooming it. Just try to find out what it can be.
It can be Tta, Kaiva, Tta, Kaiva.
Two letters are here. Which one are they?
Kaiva two,
The upper one is?
two, two.
No.
Upper one is Ra, ma'am.
Yes, upper one is Ra. And the lower
And
one is
lower
Ta.
one is Ta.
Thank you, Rta.
So this is Pandav Kuru Nadi Kaivarta.
Kaivarta. K.
Okay, here we can doubt also that it can be Ukara Matra, but it is not the style of this scriber. What he is doing, as we can see that Kuru Nadi. Okay, if he is joining the Ukara Matra with Ra, so he joins in with this letter in between. Okay, not in the lower side. So this is Ta, not Ukara Matra. Okay.
Rta.
So Kaivarta.
Kaivarta. K. Shave.
Kaivartake Keshave. So who is Keshav?
Krishna.
Yes, who is Krishna? Then
Then pa,
pa,
ra,
ra.
ma.
No,
uh,
no, there is upper
no.
line.
Pa, ra, sha,
Sha.
rya.
Your favorite one?
Va, cha.
Ha.
This is sma. Va, cha, sma.
Yes. Parasharya vacha smare.
Smaro.
Smaro.
Smaro. Ja, ma, lam, gita, rtha,
Gitartha.
ga, then dha, dho.
Ha.
Dho.
Gandhot.
Tka, tam.
Gandhot katam.
Katam.
Then
na.
Na.
This one is kha and ya. I don't know what is on the top. Which tail is on the top?
Okay, he wants to actually he had to mention the akar matra here, but he realized it later. Okay, so what happened, he don't have space here to mention that. So in manuscript sometimes we find like this, so there is the line which goes upper side, so this indicates here akar matra. Okay, he wanted to mention that, but he has no space. So in manuscripts, in even Devanagari manuscripts also we find like this. So this indicates akar matra here.
Kya.
Kya.
Kya, na, ka, ke, sha.
Not sure. This is not sure. This is Kesara. Yes.
Kesa, and this one is ram. Kesaram.
Kesaram.
Gari ka. Katha.
Hari Katha.
Katha sa.
So very good. So which number is this, which is mentioned in this page?
7 maybe.
Yes, it is 7. So you have done very good. So now I just want to ask anybody that if somebody has any doubt, any problem, then they can ask. If there is any confusion, we will solve it, and you have to practice. If you want to learn, if you want to get mastery in this script, if you want to get the perfection, so you have to practice. And today everybody will send me that one page. Okay, everybody will send me one page here, 2 pages, sorry. You have to write 2 pages and you have to send me in the group. I want everybody's performance there. After that also you will get so you will have an examination also. Okay, so for that you have to prepare yourself. So now what will you do, you have to decipher this manuscript also, and you can compare it with published Devanagari's Bhagavad Gita, and you are not going to copy, transliterate that shlok and other things. You have whatever you have in your mind. Okay, the what you have done in today, and if you want to write any essay about some festival, okay, whatever you want to write, you are free to write, but you have to write 2 pages daily and you have to submit it. Okay, that after that you can learn this this script. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, say it again. My homework फिर से बोल दीजिए.
हाँ, मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि आपको 2 पेज अपना कुछ ना कुछ रोज लिख के सबमिट करना है। शुरुआत के 2-3 दिन आपका रिस्पॉन्स बहुत अच्छा था, हर किसी ने काम करके ग्रुप में भेजा, लेकिन उसके बाद है कि आप लोगों की तरफ से रिस्पॉन्स आना बहुत कम हो गया। गिनती के 6-7 लोग ही काम भेज रहे हैं। अगर आप ऐसे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो फिर आप, क्योंकि जितना जल्दी हम सीखते हैं उससे ज्यादा जल्दी हम भूल जाते हैं। तो आपको ये मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट डिसाइफर करनी है, इसमें आप फ्री हैं, आपको जितना करना है आप करें और उसको भेजें। बट साथ में 2 पेज रोज आपको शारदा में लिखना है और वो आपको भेजना है, चाहे वो आप कोई निबंध लिखें, चाहे किसी श्लोक का आप ट्रांसक्रिप्ट करें, चाहे कुछ और। लेकिन ये नया होना चाहिए जो कब किसी ने नहीं किया ना, ये शारदा ये गीता वाला आप करके भेजेंगे। आपका कुछ नया यूनिक काम आप लिख के भेजेंगे। क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it clear to everyone?
Okay.
You have to decipher this manuscript and compare it with Gita, but with it, you have not, you are not needed to like to submit this one, but you have to write 2 pages daily and then you will submit in the group. Okay?
Yes.
So I hope this is clear, and as you can see, as much you will read that, after that you can clear your doubts. You can see how the letters are were made in the manuscripts through the brush. Okay, so tomorrow I will give you the another text to decipher. So you will practice with this manuscript and we will meet tomorrow at 7 p.m. Okay, then I'm going to end this class. I translated the national anthem today. Please check in group. Okay, I will check it and we'll get back to you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Okay, good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Catch up with the recordings and
What? Sorry?
I'll catch up with the recording. No, I missed 2 classes yesterday and day before yesterday. I'll catch up with the recording and do the homework and then submit it.
Definitely, definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then.